Are Avulea tank tops a total ripoff? I dug into the reviews, the site, and the customer complaints. Here's what you need to know before you click buy. So, Avulea.com is all over my feed with those viral built-in bra tank tops. But a ton of people on Reddit and review sites are sounding the alarm. First big red flag: deceptive advertising. Most of their promo pics? They're snagged from Amazon listings or even other creators, meaning what you see is definitely not what you get. Let's talk sizing, because it's a disaster. Multiple buyers say their medium tanks arrived basically toddler-sized. I'm serious. Some folks couldn't even get their arms through. And if you try to return it, good luck. The site claims easy returns, but in reality, you're likely stuck paying expensive shipping back to China. Some customers say Avulea simply refuses returns or pushes you to accept a small store credit instead of a refund. Customer service? Mostly robotic emails, if you get a reply at all. So, is Avulea a flat-out scam? Technically, it's not 100% fake. Some people get their orders. But with the bait-and-switch photos, sketchy sizing, and nightmare returns, it's definitely on the scam-adjacent spectrum. Here's what I recommend. First, double-check the URL before you buy. There are copycat sites like Avulea.com and Avora.co with the same issues. Second, search for these viral tanks on Amazon or AliExpress. You'll often find the original at a much lower price, with way better buyer protection. And if you're feeling brave and want to try Avulea, always use PayPal or a credit card. That way, you can file a chargeback if things go sideways. Bottom line, Avulea tank tops are a gamble, with way better options out there. Shop smart, do your research, and don't fall for the hype. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more brutally honest reviews.